Let's assemble our printed PDF sewing pattern. Make sure your page is printed with the number in the background along with the guideline and the triangles, and that the scale is correct. You can either check the scaling square on page 1, or each rectangle should measure 7 inches by 10 inches. Follow the pattern assembly page in the instruction file. For this example, I'm just starting on page 33, cutting along the guide and matching up the triangles to make a square. You can either tape or glue this. For the first row, you're just cutting off the excess paper along the left side of the guide. Starting another new row, we're only cutting off the top of the first one, and again matching up my triangle to make a diamond. For the subsequent pages, I'd cut off the top and the left side. Still making sure that my triangles and the lines from the rectangle line up. Continue to assemble your pattern, going left to right and top to bottom until all of your pieces are put together. You probably won't need every single page, and we'll end up with some page gaps when you put this together, and that's totally fine. Once your pages are taped, you can start cutting out your pattern piece. And finally, when all of your pattern pieces are assembled and cut out, you can use them to start cutting your fabric.